How to place components in the room by Genuine Sellers. What we'll do in this project is we're going to place components from the Elite Kit Rack library into our existing room that we modified before. So what we'll do, we'll pick the room, and first we will pick a material from our materials library. Press materials and look for the folder that says translucent, and we pick the material for glass. We apply it to the room, and what that will do is it will allow us to see through the room, through the walls, that is, so that we can see better our components in the room. Alright, now we're gonna go to open, import, and we're gonna pick our first component, which will be the curved corner. We'll open it up and place it on the side. Alright, then we'll do a zoom in. Okay, sometimes zoom doesn't want to cooperate, but we're gonna have to wait, move around, and finally find it. And there it is. Okay, first we will measure the length. Again, we have to find this room again. Hang on a second. There it is. Okay, you know what I think the problem could be? It's the perspective. So in order to fix that, we're gonna go to camera, we'll go to parallel, and it will give us isometric views. Okay, now we're gonna measure. Pick the measure tool, and we will measure this distance. Hang on a second, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see what I mean. From this corner, right, and we'll do a straight line. We'll pick that corner first though, but we're gonna do a straight line when it becomes red. Hang on a second. We'll pick a reference point. There it is. Okay, there. See how those 2 points are making reference? That means that it's in a straight line. So we're gonna take down that number, which is on the bottom right corner, 27.9828. That's the actual width and length of that spacer, curved corner. We're gonna take a pencil tool and we're gonna draw a line, and before we actually click, we're going to type that distance, 27.9828, and then we're gonna do enter, and then we're gonna do another parallel line, and again we're gonna type in the number once more, 27.9828. Press enter, and that's all we need for that. That's gonna be a reference point for us in order to place the curved corner correctly in its space in the room. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this over. We're gonna pick the rotate tool because we need to rotate this 90 degrees. Make sure that it says on green. Place click and place right 90 in the angle square, and then it will turn 90 degrees. Now pick the corner of that box for the moving it. Make one click on it, and then make a click on that reference point that we made in the room. And once we put it there, we know that it's exactly where it should be at the distances that it needed to be. I'm just gonna check it. Okay, perfect. Alright, we're gonna now go to file. We're gonna import another piece. In this case, we're gonna use our 6-column rack. We're gonna open it. Never mind the color change in the wood. It's just because we're using different library components. This is actually a redwood. So what we'll do is we will pick this exact point in the rack, do one click there, and we're gonna move this over a little bit, and we're going to press move, and we're going to place it. We're gonna click exactly on this point. Now these two components are perfectly lined up. This line here we can get rid of. We just press click, right click, go to erase, and done. That's it for that. Alright, as you can see, we have placed 2 components in the room very easily. We're going to place a few more. So we'll go to file, import. We'll put a 9-column rack, not that one, put this one here, open. There it is, and we'll place it again somewhere in the room. Once more, we'll go to that same specific corner that we did for the last one. Do one click, zoom out, and in a second, move it over a bit, zoom in again. Make sure you zoom in, because sometimes if you don't press the right corner or point, it will not do it properly. Like here, for example, see, it didn't want to do it. We'll do it again. Wait till you get that dot. It's not wanting to give it, but it's a good thing that it's doing this, so that you can see how sometimes Google SketchUp might give you a little bit of trouble. Let's do it again. Oh, there it is. There, done. Perfect. Now we're gonna zoom out, and we have placed 3 components. What we'll do now is we're gonna place components on the left side of the curved corner, and we'll use a 3-column rack for this one. Okay, we'll place it again somewhere in space. This time we're going to rotate it because we need it at 90 degrees. Once more, we click anywhere on space and then make sure it says on the green area, write in 90 for the angle, enter, and it will rotate. Now again, we're going to pick once more that corner, but this time it will be on the opposite side. But first we're going to move it over so that we have a better working space here. We're going to click there and move it. Always use the hand tool to move the screen over. We're going to zoom in and we're going to place it there. Perfect. Done. Okay, that's 4 components, so we're going to do one more component. Again, we're going to go to once more, import. We're going to place this time a tasting display. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to place it in the space one more time. Move this over, rotate it again, put the rotate in space, wait for the on green, and 90, right 90 again on the lower right corner, and move this over from same procedure that we did last time. And hang on, wait till it tells you that it's got the point. There it is, end pointing group. That's what you should be waiting for. And that's it. We have placed, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 components in a room. I'm going to rotate it just so that you can see. And basically you can do pretty much anything you want, just following these easy steps. Just dragging into the project more models and just placing them in space in the room. It's just the way we showed you. You can do a variety of things. So we're going to do a perspective here so you can see how nice it looks, and that's it. Thank you very much.